What is up, my good people? It's been a minute or two, hasn't it? So today I am going to show you yet another amazing plugin which is going to help you pretty much speed up your development time, speed up your research time, and hopefully make your website look a hell of a lot cooler. So you and me both know that photography, videography is probably a really super important element to any website. I mean, pictures are probably what's going to sell your products, they're probably what's going to sell your business, and video is another way that you can interact with your audience on a more personal level. Something like this, but not quite the same. We all know that there's a bunch of websites out there that, you know, you can download stock footage. There's iStock, Pixels, Unsplashed, a whole lot. But the issue that we're always facing is we've actually got to download or look at these all at the same time, which can be a rather annoying kind of thing to do. Here's a product that's actually going to solve all of your issues. It's going to speed up your research time 100, probably, well, not 100. It's going to speed up your research time probably tenfold. Alright, so the app we're going to be looking at today is something called Stockhouse. Now, Stockhouse essentially is a Google Chrome extension. You can see it right here. So if we just go click add to Chrome here, you'll see that it will eventually pop up. So what we're going to do here is we're going to quickly pin it to our taskbar so we can use it later. Now, basically what Stockhouse does is it takes all the websites such as Unsplashed, iStock, everything else, and it basically combines them all into one. So what this is going to actually make you achieve is when you're trying to find a stock image for something, you're going to be able to search all these platforms at the same time, which is going to be a bloody huge time saver. So basically on the Stockhouse page, it's a website, and basically the Chrome extension is only really taking you here to the website, but the website is still handy nonetheless. So basically you got the option to search for photos, audio or video through all these different places at the same time. Now it's quite simple to do. All you need to do is pretty much type in what you want. So if we search, for example, cats, then basically what it's going to do is it's going to open a browser and it's going to open this window and it's going to show you all the different, you know, stock places with cat images. So basically what this is doing is it's actually showing you a whole lot of stock sites with, you know, some same, some different images, but it's combining them all together. Now a lot of these you may not have even heard of, so I know I haven't even heard of most of them. For me, the majority of the times I would only use Unsplash or iStock. So this is a great example of how we can speed up, have more variety, and look at all these different places at once. And that pretty much does it for the quick look into Stockhouse. I hope you guys enjoyed that small look at a really useful extension. It's definitely helped me in the past with finding resources to help improve my development, increase my development times, and I use a lot of these stock photos on my own websites that you can see linked down in the description. So if you found this video useful or you really like the extension that I showed you here today, did you know that I'm actually going to be going over a whole library and a whole collection of different extensions and plugins and everything that's going to help speed up your workflow? So if you like what you see here and you do want to see more, the best thing you can do is down in the footer, hit that subscribe button, put your notification bells on, because I will be going over a whole lot more and it's really going to be worth it and they're going to be awesome. So until next time, I'll see you in the next video. It's been a pleasure, as always. Laters.